Here's your Storm Track 5 weather forecast. Now, meteorologist Ricky Matthews.
Well, welcome back, everybody. It sure was a hot day outside across our region. Temperatures climbed up into the upper 80s. It's be a warm day today and another warm day tomorrow. Let's take a look at our current conditions outside East Stone Drive, live in Kingsport. Temperature around 87 degrees. Light wind out of the west around 7 miles per hour. Feeling like 87 too. Feeling a little bit warmer though because the dew point's up at 59, a little bit muggy outside right now. And with the extra moisture, we do have a few showers and storms across our area. Have a few storms across the North Carolina mountains. One storm across portions of near Rome Mountain, southwest of Boone. That shower's been there for about an hour or two, actually. And because it's been there for so long, some of these storms have really produced a lot of heavy rainfall. Over the past 3 hours, 1.2 inches just south of Piney Creek from these storms. And if you get caught underneath one of these tonight, especially in some of the North Carolina mountains, I think that's what you're going to see, anywhere from potentially about a half an inch, maybe upwards of an inch of rain in spots. Now, Dave Dirks is out at the Covered Bridge Festival, and if you're heading out there tonight, put temperature on 77, I should say. Weather impacts very low this evening, no threat of any type of storms really moving into that area. But our temperatures across the whole rest of the region, 87 in the Tri-Cities, 79 in Wise. You had a few showers pushed through that area earlier, and that helped bump our temperatures down just a little bit. 79 in Clintwood, 82 in Abington, 76 in Richlands, and then 80 over in Marion right now. We think for lows tonight, we're going to drop down to near 60, around 59 in the Tri-Cities, in Elizabethton, 56 towards Norton, 55 Mountain City, and 56 in Boone. But tomorrow, boy, it's going to be another hot one out there. Temperatures climbing up to near 90, maybe pushing upwards of 90 in a few spots. I think near 85 in Norton, 90 in Rogersville, and 91 down in Greenville. Live max radar across the region here. Have a few showers in our area, but more showers and storms down across portions of the southeast. Look at all the rain across portions of Florida. We've had some issues with flooding in Tampa tonight because of all the rain. They had an event planned for the NHL game there tonight, but that had to be canceled because of all of the rain that was falling across the area. More showers pushing across the northeast, but the biggest storms are across portions of near Omaha, across portions of Nebraska. A severe thunderstorm watch out for this area with some winds over 58 miles per hour and 1-inch hail expected across that region. Locally closer to home, no threat of that over the next couple of days. We'll see a few showers popping up tomorrow, I think mainly in the higher elevations first, maybe a slight chance across the Tri-Cities of a shower or storm forming in the afternoon, but relatively low chance, I should say. Better chance of rain, though, moves in as we go into Friday. I think that's when the best chance of rain is going to move into our area. Say about a 40 to 50% chance for an isolated shower or storm during the afternoon, kind of scattered about the area, and those storms could last into the early evening before they eventually die off a little bit. Now, your 7-day forecast, I want to point out a few things on here. First off, tomorrow, hot conditions move in. We're dealing with temperatures near 90, and then we're going to push close to 90 next couple of days. 87 on Friday, 88 as we go into Saturday. About 30% chance of storms right now for Saturday, but then look at Sunday. We will throw about another 30% chance of storms in for that day. Temperatures once again climbing up to near 90, near 90s as well as we go later into your 7-day forecast. And that's above normal. Normally we're pushing temperatures around 84, 85 for this time of year, but having temperatures upwards of 90, it's going to feel like summer's already began. Of course, we don't begin summer, Julie, until we go a little bit later in June, but it's going to feel like it already across our areas as we go through the next week or so.
So we're looking at 90s this weekend. You mentioned the average is about 84.
Average is about 84, so we're about 5. Remember, that average is at the Tri-Cities Airport. So some areas are usually a little bit cooler, like our higher elevations, but the Tri-Cities Airport usually around 84.
I don't know about you, but for me, the heat is all about the humidity, the comfort level in the air.
Absolutely. Dew points get higher, it feels a lot muggier outside.
All right. Thanks so much, Ricky. And now let's take a look at what we're working